Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone alarm clock doesn't allow to add new alarm. When we tap plus icon it crashes. And also in calendar app we are facing same issue. When we try to add an event in any date it crashes. So let's start the solutions. Solution number 1. Change your time zone. People who are living in Beirut facing that issue. Once they switch to any other time zone, the problem will be fixed. To do this, first go to Settings, then tap General and tap Date and Time. Now turn off Set Automatically and tap on Time Zone. Under Time Zone, select any other city and check the problem is fixed or not. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we go for some other solutions. Solution number 2. Turn off screen time. For that, first launch settings, tap screen time. Now scroll down and tap turn off screen time. Tap again turn off screen time. Now go back to settings. Solution number 3. Reset network settings. For that, first launch settings, then tap General, scroll down and tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings, iPhone passcode required, and tap again Reset network settings to confirm your action. Solution number 4. Force restart your iPhone. To force restart iPhone, press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. Now we go for solution number 5. Reset all settings. To reset all settings, first go to settings, then tap General, scroll down and tap Reset. Now tap Reset all settings, iPhone passcode required, and tap again Reset all settings to confirm your action. That's it. Hopefully found this video helpful. Then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.